Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the trim function. Well, if you have a lot of data which is not in a good shape, or let's say you have a lot of trailing spaces, in between there are spaces, and if you have some falling spaces, but you want to arrange the data, okay, so it would not be easy for you to go in each cell and arrange the data accordingly, with proper spaces. So for that we can use the trim function. So if you see here, I have created this particular table. So this is very less data. I mean, these are only 9 or 10 records. But imagine if you have rows and rows of records plus a number of data that you want to arrange, then trim function would really be useful for you. So I'm going to dive in to show you how we can use this trim function. Now see this data, there are a lot of trailing spaces, falling spaces, spaces in between. So this does not look good. All this data is, looks very vague and unuseful. So what I'm gonna do when I'm gonna use the trim function so that I can arrange this particular data in a proper format. So I'll show you how we can use the trim function. Now this is the data, I want to arrange it here. So I will go to the next column. I will double click and enter equal to, then write trim, open parenthesis. Now I want to arrange this data, so I will select this column, close parenthesis, enter. As you can see, I have used the trim function and all the trailing spaces, falling spaces, spaces in between are now arranged. Now I'm going to drag this formula over here. If you see, every data, every piece of data is completely clean, and it is well organized. I will do paste special to on this one so that you can see that all the trailing spaces and everything is gone. See, so if you see here, there were for leading spaces over here. Now we don't have any space. There were more spaces in between. Now all the spaces are gone. Okay, and there were some falling spaces in this text, so all these spaces are gone. If you see, the data is very clean and arranged in a proper format. So by using trim function, you can simply remove a lot of spaces, unnecessary spaces that you have in your text. So be creative with this formula, use with other formulas as well, and you will see great results. That's it for today guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.